Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we will learn about function point calculation in software engineering in a simple way. So basically what is function point? Function point or FE is a software metric. A metric means a way to measure something. So FE measures the functional size of software from the user's perspective. Okay, and it tells us how much functionality the software provides, like not how much code is written. Okay, and function points help in estimating development effort, cost and time. Okay, so now we can see purpose of function point calculation. First one is to measure software size based on functionality, to estimate effort and cost for a software project, then independent of programming language or technology, and very useful for comparing different software projects. Okay, now we can see steps to calculate function points. Okay, step 1 is identify functional components. So basically software functionality is divided into 5 main components. First one is external inputs, EI. So basically these are user inputs that add or update data. Example is filling a registration form. Then external outputs, these are outputs sent to the user. Example is a report or invoice. Then external inquiries, user requests that retrieve data but do not change it. Okay, example is searching a product. Then internal logical files, ILF, data stored inside the system. Okay, example is customer database. Then last one is external interface files, data from other systems that your system uses. Example is payment gateway data. Now we can see step 2, basically assign weights to each component. Each component is given a weight based on its complexity. Okay, so basically first one is external inputs. In that simple is 3, average 4, complex 6. Then external outputs, simple is 4, average 5, complex 7. Then external inquiries, simple 3, average 4, complex 6. Then internal logical files, simple 7, average 10, complex 15. Then external interface files. Okay, in here simple is 5, average 7, complex 10. See, now we can see calculate unadjusted functional points. Okay, first one is multiply the number of components by their weight, then add all the weighted values together. Okay, so simply you can say formula like this. UFE is equal to the sum of each component multiply by its weight. Okay, then step 4, see here in unadjusted function points. So basically first calculate EI contribution, then EO, then EQ, then ILF, then EIF. Okay, and then finally add all together to get UFE. Okay, now we can see step 4, determine value adjustment factor. So basically VAF accounts for journal system characteristics like performance, reusability and complexity. Okay, there are 4 general systems characteristics, each rated from 0 to 5. Okay, to sum all 14 ratings, then apply this formula. See, okay, so basically take the sum of all ratings for the 14 characteristics, then multiply by 0.01, then add 0.65. So basically this gives the value adjustment factor. Okay, Then step 5, calculate adjusted function points in here. Okay, so multiply UFP by VAF to get AFP. Okay, so the in this formula, the adjusted function point is the unadjusted function point multiplied by the value adjustment factor. Okay, so this gives the final function point count for the system. Okay, so now we can see example of function point calculation. Suppose a small system has external inputs, 3 simple, 2 complex, then external outputs, 2 average, then internal logical files, 1 complex. Okay, then step 1 is assign weights. Here is the calculation, then step 2 calculation, then step 3, then step 4. See, so basically the final adjusted function point is 44 FP. Okay, now we can see importance of function point calculation. Helps in estimating effort, cost and time for software development. Okay, and works for any programming language. Focuses on user functionality rather than code value. Okay, and useful for project comparison and performance evaluation. Okay, so basically function point calculation is a structured method to measure software size based on functionality. Okay, and it involves like counting components like EI, EO, EQ, ILF, EIF. Okay, then assigning weights based on complexity. Okay, and calculating unadjusted function points UFP, then adjusting with value adjustment factor VAF, and obtaining adjusted function points AFP. Okay, so basically this all helps developers and project managers understand the functional size of the system. Okay, so the estimate time and effort and plan resources efficiently. Okay, thank you.